Thanks for joining me today. Give me just a couple minutes and I'll have you doing the exact same thing. Let's get started. As we start putting our hand position together, make sure your arms aren't flared out like this, that they're at a comfortable position down here. Okay, for our first step, we want to take our ring finger on our left hand and place it between our first and middle finger on our right hand. Next, the middle joint on our left finger needs to be about the same height as the knuckles on our right hand. The rest of your fingers on the left hand should be under the right hand. And you can simply rest the left thumb on top of your right thumb like this. Next, looking down from the top, the popping sound actually happens as the tip of the ring finger breaks free from the webbing on your right hand. If you slide the ring finger up close to the knuckles, you'll eventually feel bones. You don't want to pull your finger from that position. You want to slide away from the bones and get closer to the end of the webbing, like this. Next, you want your left ring finger to be either flat or slightly hyperextended between these two fingers. You don't want your finger sticking up like this. Finally, you want to add a little moisture to the tip of your finger and the webbing between these two fingers. This will help against the friction when you pull the finger down. The next part is placing our fingers up against our lips. To make this work, we just need our lips closed but not pressed super tight. Next, bring your hands up against your lips, but once again, you don't need to push them up too tight. You don't need to try to hit your teeth, just nice and snug up against your lips. Initially, once you're getting started with this, I would suggest lining up the nail of your ring finger, or just slightly to the left, with the middle of your lips. All right, we're at the final stage. Make sure your fingers moist a little bit. We have our fingers here, up against our lips. Did you get the sound? If you did, please let me know in the comments. Open up your mouth. Try it on your chin. How about your cheekbone? Hey, if you enjoyed this, you might enjoy this. Check out this video and I'll show you how. I'll see you in the next one.